Hello. So many of you think that my voice don't match my face, and maybe you think when you see a Chinese man like me, you think to yourself, this is what he's supposed to sound like. But this is not true. This is not true at all. Like, this is how I sound when I'm talking normally, right? Do I talk patois all the time? No. When I'm at work, yes, because when I speak proper English, people not understand me, right? It's hard for me talk proper English and people don't make me repeat myself. So it's like, it just better for me just chat patois when me there at work. So, yeah, I just said that, you see me? But brothers and sisters, if you want me to do a fake accent for you, I can do. Yes, I can sound like I am from Africa. Maybe. I was not born there. I have no blood from there. But they are my brothers too. Yes, we are all a part of the human race. So maybe one of my ancestors, maybe they were from Africa. Maybe we are all from Africa. I don't know. But this is the only fake accent you will hear. My Jamaican accent, it's real. So, yeah. I like that. Have a good day now.